Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I am fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall discuss the fundamentals of mathematics. You know, mathematics means Ganita. Fundamentals means ମୌଳିକ ତତ୍ତ୍ୱ. ଗଣିତର ମୌଳିକ ତତ୍ତ୍ୱ ଆଜି ଆମେ ଶିଖିବା. You know, ତମେ ଜାଣିଛ, you know, we use a lot of numbers. ଆମେ ଗଣିତରେ ଅନେକ ସଂଖ୍ୟା ଲେଖୁଛେ, ବ୍ୟବହାର କରୁଛେ. Could understand or not? Understand? So, the numbers or numerals, ସଂଖ୍ୟା ବା ସାଂଖ୍ୟିକ ସଂକେତ, numerals, however big or small, ଯେତେ ବଡ଼ ହଉ କିମ୍ବା ଯେତେ ସାନ ହଉ, however big or small, we write or use in mathematics are written with the help of just, what did I say? Just 10 symbols. Could understand? Or ଆମେ ଏମିତି କହିପାରିବା, ଗଣିତରେ ସଂଖ୍ୟା ଲେଖିବା ପାଇଁ ଆମେ ମାତ୍ର 10ଟି ଅଙ୍କ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରୁ. Digit means ଅଙ୍କ. In order to write numbers, we use just 10 digits. Do you know what they are? ସେଗୁଡ଼ିକ କ'ଣ କ'ଣ ଜାଣିଛ କି? Do you know?
No.
You know, they are what? They are called digits. Digits, you know, digits means what? Anka. Yes. Digit in Oriya means what? Anka. Digit ko Oriya re anka कहउचंदी. That means there are 10 digits. How many digits? 10 digits. केतोटी अंक? 10टी अंक in mathematics. Got it? Could understand?
Yes.
How many digits?
10 digits.
10 digits. In Oriya, 10ଟି अंक. Let's know what they are. They are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Could understand? The digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Could understand?
Yes.
ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ 10ଟି ଅଙ୍କ ଅଛି. ସେଗୁଡ଼ିକ ହେଲା 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's all. ଶେଷ. Could understand? We came to know the symbols and digits that are used to write numbers. ଆମେ ସଂକେତ ବା ଅଙ୍କ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ଜାଣିଲେ କେତେଟା ଅଙ୍କ? How many digits? How many digits? 9. 10 digits. Okay. Now let's move. ଚାଲ ଯିବା to know even number, that is ଯୁଗ୍ମ ସଂଖ୍ୟା, and odd number, that is ଅଯୁଗ୍ମ ସଂଖ୍ୟା. Even number means जुग्म संख्या, odd number means अजुग्म संख्या. So let's know, चलो जानिबा what is an even number and what is an odd number. Even number, जुग्म संख्या. An even number is, what did I say?
An even number
Is, right? An even number is a number that can be divided by 2. ଯେଉଁ ସଂଖ୍ୟା 2 ଦ୍ୱାରା ବିଭାଜ୍ୟ ସେହି ସଂଖ୍ୟାକୁ ଯୁଗ୍ମ ସଂଖ୍ୟା କୁହାଯାଏ. An even number is a number that can be divided ମାନେ ବିଭାଜ୍ୟ, divided by 2. Next one is, you know, that is odd number. Its oriya meaning is अजुग्म संख्या. An odd number is a number. Could you understand? An odd number is a number that cannot be divided by 2. ଯେଉଁ ସଂଖ୍ୟା 2 ଦ୍ୱାରା ବିଭାଜ୍ୟ ନୁହେଁ ସେହି ସଂଖ୍ୟା ଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ ବା ସେହି ସଂଖ୍ୟାକୁ ଅଯୁଗ୍ମ ସଂଖ୍ୟା କୁହାଯାଏ. Could you understand or not? Even number जुग्म संख्या, odd number अजुग्म संख्या. Yes, the numbers संख्या गुड़िक which have ଯେଉଁଥିରେ କି 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 in their unit place. Could you understand? Units place, regardless of how many digits they have, are called even numbers. ଯେଉଁ ସଂଖ୍ୟାର ଏକକ ସ୍ଥାନରେ 0, 2, 4, 6 ଓ 8 ଥାଏ ସେହି ସଂଖ୍ୟାକୁ ଯୁଗ୍ମ ସଂଖ୍ୟା କୁହାଯାଏ. ମନେ ରହିଲା? ଗୋଟେ ସଂଖ୍ୟାରେ କେତୁଟା ଡିଜିଟ୍ ଥାଉ, but what if it has 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in its units place, right? Unit place. That number is called what? Even number. We know. Here is an example. ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି, example ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି. Here is an example. What did I say? We know the number 77,58,624 is an even number. This is a even number. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4.
5, 6, 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 6 digits. In this number, there are how many digits? 7 digits. Could you understand? How many digits? 7 digits. So, in this number there are 7 digits, but mark its unit place. This is the unit place. First place is the unit place. 4 is in units place, right? I have told you, if a number has 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in its unit place, that is even number. As the number has 4 in its unit place, जेहेतु यही संख्यार एकक स्थान 4 अच्छी, इट इज n even number or that is a Jugo Sankhya. Now let's move to the next point, the numbers that have 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. The number that have either 1 or 3 or 5 or 7 or 9 in its units place, that is place. It's a wrong interpretation. Just 1 minute. What did I say? Place. Unit place. So unit place are odd numbers. Regardless the numbers of digits they have. Say संख्या गुड़िकर केतुड़ा digit थाउची थाउ, it will not matter. But if the number has 1 or 3 or 5 or 7 or 9 in its or in their units place, that number is called odd number and that is in Oriya अजुग्म संख्या. जो संख्यार एकक स्थान रे राइट, जो संख्यार एकक स्थान रे 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 मधुर किए थाए से संख्या को अजुग्म संख्या कहा जाए. फॉर एग्जांपल हियर इज एन number that is 88 lakhs 66,641 is an odd number. What did he say? N odd number, ODD, odd number, right? As it has 1 in its unit place. Could understand? Now let's move to the odd Jugma and even Jugma numbers between 1 to 100. Here is a chart. The numbers in red colors are odd numbers and the numbers in blue color are even numbers. Now let's read odd numbers. 1, 3, 4, no, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, yes you say, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, 31, 33, 35, 37, 39, 41, 43, 45, 47, 49, 51, 53, 55, 57, 59, 61, 63, 65, 67, 69, 71, 73, 75, 77, 79, 81, 83, 85, 87, 89, 91, 93, 95, 97, 99 are odd numbers. Numbers in red are odd numbers. Numbers in blue are even numbers. Now let's have the visit of even numbers. Okay? Yes, the number begins 2, 4. These are even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 45, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, and 100. These are even numbers. Could understand? Next, let's move to the next point. We came to know the odd numbers and even numbers. आमे अजुग्म संख्या जानिले, जुग्म संख्या जानिले. Now we will learn, we shall learn prime numbers. Prime number means what? मौलिक संख्या and a composite number. You know, जौकिक संख्या. So prime number, what is prime number? मौलिक संख्या जो संख्यार मात्र दुईटी गुणनीयक को इंग्लिश इन इंग्लिश दैट इज फैक्टर जो संख्यार मात्र दुईटी गुणनीयक बा फैक्टर दैट इज 1 एवं निजे सही संख्या थाए सही संख्या को मौलिक संख्या कहा जाए जो संख्यार मात्र दुईटी गुणनीयक फैक्टर थिबो आउ से फैक्टर गुड़ाक एक एवं से संख्या आइतब दैट इज प्राइम नंबर और हियर इज यस ए प्राइम नंबर इज ए नंबर व्हिच हैज ओनली टू फैक्टर्स गुणनीयक दैट इज 1 एंड द नंबर इटसेल्फ एक एवं से संख्याटा थिबो दैट इज कॉल्ड प्राइम नंबर 3 is a prime number because 3 can be divided by only two numbers that is 1 and 3 itself. Could understand? It has a two factors 1 and the number itself. That is to say 3 divided by 1 is equal to 3. 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. In the same way, say valiya 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 7 are prime numbers. Say valiya 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 होची मौलिक संख्या. Now let's move to composite number. What do you mean by composite number? Composite number माने कौन बुझिला? यौगिक संख्या What did I say? यौगिक संख्या. Just one with it. यौगिक संख्या. Right? So composite number means यौगिक संख्या जो संख्यार दुई अधिक गुणनीयक फैक्टर गुणनीयक थाए से संख्या को यौगिक संख्या कहा जाए. And that is a composite number is a number which has more than two factors. दुईटार अधिक गुणनीयक थिबा संख्या को यौगिक संख्या कहा जाए. We don't consider 1 as a composite number because 1 is always a special number. It is neither a prime neither a composite, right? So 12 is here is a number. 12 is a composite number. What did I say? 12 is a composite number. As it can be divided by can be divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. 12 एक यौगिक संख्या जेहेतु 12 1 द्वारा 2 द्वारा 3 द्वारा 4 द्वारा 6 द्वारा एवं 12 द्वारा विभाज्य हो पार. दैट मीन्स 12 केतुटा फैक्टर आसला गुण नियोग केतुटा आसला केतुटा आसला 1 2 3 4 5 6 6टा गुण नियोग होगा. दैट मीन्स मोर देन 2 2टार अधिक होगा. सो इट इज ए composite number. So the number 12 has how many factors? 6 factors and that is 12 can be 12 divided by 1 is 12, 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6, 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4, 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3, 12 divided by 6 is equal to 2, 12 divided by 12 is equal to 1. Okay. Next point is that is what co-prime number परस्पर मौलिक संख्या. परस्पर मौलिक जो दुईटी संख्यार मात्र गोटे साधारण गुणनीयक थाए ताकू परस्पर मौलिक संख्या कहा जाए. सो द co-prime numbers or mutual primes or relatively primes are two numbers which have only one common factor. जार गोटे मात्र साधारण गुणनीयक आईथिरे थिबो सेइथिरे थिबो मात्र गोटे. एंड दोज नंबर्स आर कॉल्ड co-prime numbers. गुणनीयक which is one. तो जो दुईटी संख्यार एक व्यतीत अन्य कौनसी साधारण गुणनीयक न थाए बा जो दुईटी संख्यार साधारण गुणनीयक केवल एक से संख्या दुईटी परस्पर मौलिक संख्या कहा जाए. लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल. हियर इज एन एग्जांपल. द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 14 आर 1 2 7. यू नो द फैक्टर्स गुणनीयक द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 15 आर 1 3 5. Mark in these two numbers there are in 14 there are 3 factors, in 15 there are 3 factors. In 14 1 2 7, in 15 1 3 5. In both cases 1 is common. 1 is the common, 1 is the factor of 14, 1 is the factor of 15. And there are no other factors. आउ अन्य कौन सी गुणनीयक ना which are common to both. दीटा को साधारण को नुह. So as the two numbers as one common factor that is 1. केवल ए दीटा करे एइथिरे एक सेइथिरे एक गोटिया अछि गुणनीयक. So they are co-prime numbers. 14 15 are co-prime numbers. For both the numbers, we can see the common factor 1. Yes, here is 1 and here is 1. Right? Common factor. What did I say? Common factor. This is. For both the numbers, we can see the common factors is 1. Therefore 14 and 15 are co-prime numbers. जेहेतु ए दुईटी नंबर रे एमानकर साधारण गुणनीयक मात्र गोटे एवं से गोटा कौच एक ये है परस्पर मौलिक संख्या. बट वी कंसीडर एनादर नंबर से 21 इज हियर हुज फैक्टर्स आर 1 3 and 7. Could understand? Then 21 is neither a co-prime for 14 nor for 15. 14 co-prime नहीं कि 15 co-prime नहीं. Why? Because as they have more than one common factor. जेहेतु से दीटा भीतर more than one common factor एकाधिक एक रु अधिक साधारण गुणनीयक अछि. For example, the factors of 14 are 1 2 7. The factors of 21 are 1 3 7. यही क्षेत्र देखा 14 21 कॉमन फैक्टर है 1 1 7 7. So the common factors in these numbers are more than 1. एक और अधिक ହେଇଗଲା ଏଣୁକରି they are not co-prime numbers. Similarly, ସେଇ ଭଳିଆ the factors of 15 are 1 3 5, the factors of 21 are 1 3 5. In this case there are also two common factors 1 1 3 3. As they are more than one common factor, the numbers cannot be co-prime numbers. Hey paribani. Next, the smallest composite number is 4. The smallest prime number is 2. Prime and composite number list chart between 1 to 100. The numbers in yellow are prime numbers. Now let's read two prime numbers. 2 3 5 7 11 13 17 19 23 29 31 37 41 43 47 53 59 61 67 71 73 79 83 89 97. These are prime numbers because they are having with just two factors, 1 and the number itself. The others are composite numbers, but 1 is not a composite number. It's a special number. So now let's move composite number. The smallest composite number is 4. The smallest prime number is 2. So 4 4 6 8 composite numbers. We are marking reading the composite numbers 4 6 8 9 10 12 14 15 16 18 20 21 22 24
25.
yes 26 27 28 30 32 33 34 35 36 38 39 40 42 44 45 46 48 49 50 51 52 54 55 56 57 58 60 62 63 64 65
66.
68 69 70 72 74 75 76 77 78 80 81 82 84 85 86 87 88 90 91 92 93 94 95 96 98 99 100. So these are composite numbers. Number in yellow are prime numbers. Numbers in white are composite numbers. So mark the chart. The smallest prime number is 2 and the smallest composite number is 4. And that is the end of today's lesson. We will have other discussion in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.